Hi friends, today we'll create this simple pixel scan effect in After Effects. Let's get started. Create a new composition and call it Main Comp. Create a text layer and write down your text. Center it. Pre-compose the text layer you've created and call it Text. Select the rectangle tool and click on the Fill options. Pick the white color. Go to the 150th frame and add a position keyframe. Now go to the 0 frame and move the rectangle until it's not on the screen. We've created a simple linear animation for our rectangle. Select the keyframes and easy ease them. Call this shape layer a mask. Go to Effects and add a turbulent displace to the mask layer. Set the amount to 200, size to 20, and complexity to 10. Now, add a mosaic effect. Set the horizontal blocks to 100 and vertical blocks to 50. We can even increase the turbulent displace amount to 600 for a more evident result. Now link the alpha matte of the text layer to the mask layer. Here we can see that we've created a pixelated text reveal.
If you're into animation, check our 4,000 templates for video editing.
Here you can find dozens of video templates for your project, from title animation to YouTube outros and much more. Pick a template for the software you use and preview all categories included inside. Video editing has never been easier.
So make sure you have visited our EasyEdit.pro website.
Select both layers and pre-compose them. Call them Text Comp. Add a fill effect and set the white color. Duplicate the text comp and offset it by 3 frames. Link the alpha inverted matte of one comp to another. We still can see the white edges around the letters, so we'll get rid of them with the Minimax effect. Add it to the comp below and set the operation to minimum, channel to alpha and color, and the radius to 3. When the edges are gone, we can pre-compose both compositions into one again. Call the composition Text Scan. Drag the text comp below our text scan comp and select a screen mode for our text scan composition. Add a CC glass effect to the text scan. Open the surface controls and set the property to alpha. Softness to 1. Height to 50. And displacement to 200. Add a displacement map effect to the text scan composition. Set the max horizontal displacement to 100, max vertical displacement to 0, and duplicate the effect. In the displacement map duplicate, set the max horizontal displacement to 200. Now, add a colorama effect. Go to the input phase controls and set the add phase to the text scan. In the output cycle, set the use preset palette to hue cycle. Go to modify and uncheck the modify alpha. Turn the phase shift to 55 degrees. Now, add a glow effect. Set the glow radius to 50 and duplicate the effect. In the duplicate, set the glow radius to 200. Duplicate the effect again and set the glow radius to 500. We have already achieved nice and colorful pixelated animation. Duplicate the text scan composition and offset it a bit. That's our final result.
If you like the result, make sure to hit the like button and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in next video.